Hi guys, so today let's do another transformation. I'm gonna transform from this into this. Where's the picture where I'm gonna insert? I'm not sure, but yeah, from this to... Okay, let's go. First, let's start with primer. I'm using e.l.f. Okay, so put on your primer. Oh, by the way, I have my mirror right here. So I'm gonna be looking at this side a lot. I don't have eyeshadow primer, so I always just use this primer as a substitute. People from YouTube make this hack where you mix your foundation with your powder. So I'm gonna do that today. I'm gonna mix this Maybelline Fit Me powder. This is actually a quite messy process, but I kind of like how the finish of my foundation looks when mixing with this powder instead of putting powder afterwards. Actually, I generally prefer to use beauty blender more than brush. So how have you been? My university started last week, and it's only been week 2. Oh my god, I really need to lantak ke basuh lah scarf apa semua ni. My uni just started last week, and it has only been week 2, and I'm already want to do it. I just woke up from my 1 hour nap because I literally had a headache. And even if I try to answer the assignment, the questions, I literally can't process what the materials that my lecturer gave me. So yes, Ross first word later. Please don't quote me on that. Okay, now let's use... Oh, I look so white. Okay, now let's use concealer. Wait, where's my oh shoot. Oh, I told you it's messy. Freak, man, I forgot. It's okay, I'm gonna shower after this. Man, my pants and my shawl are covered in powder. Also my sleeves. Okay, whatever. What? Oh yeah, concealer. Where's concealer? I'm using this focallure concealer. Is it funny? Don't you guys think it's funny that my door handle is non-existent? It is gone. Like, look. Don't you think that's funny? I think that's funny, but I see it every day and I'm used to it. So first, take a brown shade. Okay, take a brown shade, and then what you do is, I hope you can see it clearly. You put it. Ooh, that's pigmented, but it's okay. You put it. What do you say, at your outer corner? Actually, you don't need much. Start little. I actually messed up here. Okay, it's okay. Just blend it out. I look kind of crazy right now, but trust me, trust the process. Okay, now after that, okay, now after that, you take your black eyeshadow. And then you put it here, like in your crease, like that. Okay, your black eyeshadow. You just blend all of it. Okay, blend using the excess eyeshadow you have on your brush. And if you guys want it to be more black, just put more, but not too much, because you don't want to ruin it and start all over again. So just put a little bit. Like right now, I'm just putting a little bit more black eyeshadow on my inner crease. I think it's called inner crease. Not inner crease, inner eyelids. I don't know, but this part. Okay, and now I'm just gonna blend using the brown eyeshadow again. Okay, so yeah, yay, just blend, go crazy, girl. Let's clean up a bit because it's a bit crazy. So how I do it, I just boop, But you can use a concealer or Vaseline to clean this up. But I don't know, it really depends on your eyeshadow. And mine doesn't need to do that. I just usually do this. But you know, it's better to use a Q-tip with some Vaseline and stuff. I just used this, so yeah. I'm just gonna use my fingers because I really don't want to use another brush, because I don't want to clean so much brush. I'm really lazy. My bad. We're contouring our nose first, so yeah. You do it here, so you put it here, here, and here, okay? Depends on your nose shape actually, but you can just like try and error to see how you should do your nose contour. Without even trying, you wouldn't know, right, how it would look like. So yeah, I'm like giving general advice, not specific advice. You don't even have to do what I'm doing right now. My contour is not that good, but it's good enough. Now let's go back to the eyeshadow. Oh wait, I think I have an idea. So like make our eye makeup look more, what do you say, more outstanding, make it pop. Let's put some any white eyeshadow or lighter eyeshadow that you have, and if it's glittery, it is more preferable here, and also here. What do you call this? Put it there, okay? Put it there. Since we're going for a black eyeshadow look, we won't be putting it here. We're just gonna put it here. Okay? So look, my eyes look bigger, and also it looks like it's popping right now. Take your black eyeshadow and put it here. Not all the way, okay? Just, you see your, what do you call this? Your pupil. Is that pupil? From your pupil here and here. Okay. Also do it on the other side. I'm very short, that's why I'm like hunching like this. Take the brown eyeshadow that you used before, and put it on top of that too. Okay. Now we blend upwards, okay? Upwards and also outwards. Blend outwards, I guess, not upwards. Yes. Okay. Woo. Okay, before anything, I'm gonna wear lipstick first. Okay. Now look, our makeup is almost put together. Okay. Now for the hardest part, which is the eyeliner part. Right now I'm just gonna do a simple eyeliner. Really, really simple. I hope I don't fuck it up. It's just like a tiny baby wing. Oh my god. Ta-da! Ooh. Oh no. Okay, whatever. Doesn't have to look perfect. I think it's okay how it is right now. Okay. So yeah, you can do your eyeliner however you want. For me, I'm just doing my usual baby eyeliner. Look, it's really small. You can't even tell it, but there's like pew pew. Mascara. I'm using feverglam mascara. Bam 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 bam. I don't just do your mascara like usual. Shit. Oh my god, don't worry, everything has a solution. Don't panic. The same eyeshadow you put here and here on the tip of my nose, also on the bridge of my nose a bit. I'm just gonna use it because I don't know, I just think it complements the eyeshadow here. And also, woo! Also, for contouring your face, it actually also depends on how you want your face to look like. If I contour on this side of my face, if I can contour here, so this side, my cheeks will pop up more rather than here. Okay, so like I said, every makeup technique is not fixed. It's not what you have to do. You really need to experiment with every one of them to see which one you like, to see which outcome you like the most, and then you can apply it in your makeup routine. Yay! After contouring, I will just bronze. Yay! Bronze my face. I really love bronzing. Also, I actually don't quite understand how to bronze our face, but I really like doing it at here. But since I'm already wearing my hijab, I won't be using a lot. Usually when I don't wear hijab, I will be bronzing a lot more than how I do it right now. I like to bronze like up here, this part. And sometimes I just do it here for the excess. I don't know, I just like to do it here. Okay, enough if I go overboard. Shade. Just, it's like pinky like that. And then, well, you know how it goes. For me, I like putting blush here. I really love doing this. I think it makes me look so cute. So that's why I put blush like this. Put it here and also here. Okay. Wow, I look so white. What the heck? In real life, I don't look this white, by the way. I think it's just the camera. I'm not this fair, I swear to God. Now, lastly, for the last step, we're gonna do our eyebrows. And how I do my eyebrows is I just use this brow soap, brow wax, rather than using eyebrow pencils. Because I don't like how bushy, how like strong my eyebrows look when I use eyebrow pencil. I'm done. So okay, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye.